In this video, I'll show you how to resize a text box in Canva so your designs look clean and professional. Open your project and click on the text box you want to resize. You'll see a border with small circles called handles around it. Move your cursor to any handle until it turns into a double arrow. Then click and drag. Rotating from the corners, adjust both width and height, while dragging from the sides only changes one dimension. Canva automatically wraps your text to fit the new box size, keeping everything neat. If the text doesn't fit as you like, simply tweak the font size or line spacing until it looks perfect. Once done, check your overall layout to make sure everything flows smoothly. And that's it. Resizing text boxes in Canva is quick, easy, and makes a big difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips.